Hi everyone, bonjour à tous. This is Katie from Sudbury East for Craft Corner. Today for Craft Corner, we're going to be making an alphabet and a counting board. I figured with many of the children in the Sudbury East area doing e-learning or the online learning as they call it, I figured it'd be fun to make a little activity for them to do at home. So we are going to be doing this egg theme since Easter is this weekend. So to start, you're going to need an egg carton. Doesn't matter whether it's the pallet of 30, an 18 pack or a 12 pack, you could use either ones. I'm using a 30 pack pallet just because it's easier and I had one within my home. You're going to need some colorful construction paper, some scissors, and a marker. I've already pre-cut and pre-written my numbers and letters to make this video a little simpler. So we'll just scoop this to the side. Got my carton. I've already cut and written out my eggs. These are all a bunch of numbers I did. And then also I've done my alphabet all cut up and written. And we're going to give this a flip and I'm going to show you. So on one side we have my numbers from 1 to 30 already written just here in the crease. And then if I give it a twirl, we have my alphabet from A to Z written also in the creases. So that's what your marker is for. What you're going to do is just write out your alphabet, or even get your child to do it. You can use a colorful marker if you want. I use just a black permanent marker. And also even numbers, it does not have to be 1 to 30, but I just had enough room where I wanted to do 1 to 30 because my son is doing high number counting lately. So this activity was really fun to make and also do with him. So to give it a twirl, give it a start. So what you're going to do is literally get your children to write out the alphabet on the eggs, write it on the carton, and then it's just association, right? So just for them to associate where C and C go, D and D goes. You could also mix up your letters too, so that way you can give them a bit of a challenge on how to find which letter goes where. Same thing with your numbers. 1 goes in the 1 slot, 2 goes in the 2 slot, or you can mix up your cards and make it a challenge where say, oh look, we got 30, so 30 has to go in the slot 30. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy activity. I figured with the e-learning and the counting, this would help out a lot because I know with my son, this has actually helped him out quite a bit this week with his counting, especially because he loves his alphabet and counting in French and English. So you can also do this activity in French or English, depending on your children and your family. I hope you all have a great day, and if you decide to make a counting board or an alphabet board, send us a picture in our inbox or by email. I hope you all have a great day. Bye everyone!